Hi everyone, welcome to week 2. You guys did a great job in the week 1. I love your self-introduction and your tech journal. A really great start. Some of you had problems last week. Do not worry about that, which is very normal to an online course. Just remember that whenever you have a question for this course, let me know at once. I will be 100% glad to answer it. I really want to build an online community that everyone can feel free to ask and share. So now let's talk about the week 2 page. Okay, about this week 2, it will be our last week about the introduction. And next week, we will start our own first project, web design. So this week, we will continue our tech journal and learn something about the digital literacy. After these 2 weeks, I hope you will know that this is a digital world and technology actually can do a lot of things and can make our work more efficient. This is the aim for our first 2 weeks. So let us check this week together. And this week we have 4 tasks in total. The first one is to watch this video, and the second one is about your technology experience. I'd like you share the characteristics that made the best class or learning experience you have had. And was any technology used and how? And still using Flipgrid and still one reply to your colleagues. And the question can help remind you some of your successful education experience that has been helped by technology. And the next assignment is about the digital literacy. According to the American Library Association, the digital literacy is the ability to use information and communication technologies to find, evaluate, create, and communicate information requiring both cognitive and technology skills. And digital literacy is one of the most important skills that you should improve in the 21st century. And these 2 videos can help you have a basic understanding about and learn how and why it is important. After watching these 2 videos, there are some guiding questions. So here, that you can use in the discussion, or you can also share your own reflection. Please share your reflection in the video talk channel. So this time, please remember to use the right channel to share your reflection. It seems last time some of you some of you shared your tech journal in the wrong channel, but this is okay. Just remember to use the right channel this time. The last assignment this week is to transform tech journals into tech tables. Tech table is more like our advanced level, which can help you have more chance to share your tech experience. There is one example here. These are the categories that can be used in your tech tables, but you do not need to use all of them. Just try to think about all of the technologies that you have used before. After finishing the table, share it in the tech table channel. So that is all for this week. And the next week we will start our first project, web design. Hope you will be ready for the interesting project. See you next week. Thank you.